No matter what part of the country you live in, everyone is looking for it. A home on acreage on the blacktop, but out of the city. The unique mix of privacy, easy access, outdoor activities, convenience, and more make up an offering that is extremely sought after. If you are a buyer whose interest is piqued by the intro, this tract made up of a unique colonial-style home, outbuildings, situated on 29 acres along 24 Highway east of Moberly is the perfect fit. Perfect for a family with room to roam, but only minutes from all the amenities of Moberly, Missouri, or anyone wishing to retire to a more quiet country setting. This property will sell at auction at noon on Wednesday, October 21st. Contact Dave Atkinson or Jerry Crutchfield for more information or to take a tour of this home and property.